guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so. A few months ago, I decided to do a big chop on my hair due to postpartum hair loss, and I did the biggest chop ever. And so this time around, I'm focusing on the health of my hair instead of the length. And so in this video, you're gonna see how I do my weekly deep conditioning, and also how I do my curls for the day, like how I style my hair. I also noticed a big difference in the health of my hair if I wash my hair once a week, maybe twice depending on how dirty my hair is. And if I have to wash more than once a week, what I do is I tend to not use shampoo, just use conditioner, because we don't want to strip away the natural hair oil. And so as you'll see on here, I will leave the deep conditioner for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's like the fastest I would do. But if I want to leave it on longer, I'll go in for like 15 minutes. I see the best results in my curls when I use a t-shirt as a towel. So like instead of using a natural like body or hair towel, I use any t-shirt that I have. Cotton, I guess, works perfectly. But when I do that, I notice that my curls are very defined and I have less frizz. Before applying leave-in conditioner, I just make sure that my hair is wet. We just don't want it to be really soaked and dripping. And so after that, I will part it. I don't really have a certain way of doing it. Every time I do it, it kind of changes, but most of the time it's kind of what you're seeing here. And so I go through with leave-in conditioner, and then right after I add gel. And what works for me is using the same brand of gel so that it doesn't leave it white or flaky. I finish off by applying mousse, and then I diffuse it.